I think it's...
But it's something. I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's good that it exists. It's better to have it than not. But I don't feel like it's big moves. At least from the very light look that I've taken at it.
Would you be the type to ever consider repairing an iPhone or MacBook instead of having Apple do it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, for sure. Like almost like I've modded a lot, even my current iPhones.
Mm-hmm.
I like to... I'm the dude that like changes the colors of my iPhones, bezels and stuff, because I like the look. But that's not this, right? This is like repairs and battery replacements and like, can they do screen replacements too with this program? No. Oh wait, you
I think so. Yeah,
on a phone, sure, yeah. But like that stuff it's cool, but for one, there's no way it's cheap. Like that's the big thing, right? That's why you don't go. That's why you don't want to go to the Apple Store. It's expensive, and I feel like this program, it can't be that much cheaper than just going to the Apple Store.
No, I mean we're probably gonna have to sign up. Maybe we should actually try to do one of these repairs.
Yeah,
but I would presume displays are going to be $700-800. I mean, they always were.
Yeah.
Even if you were, because I used to be friends with all the authorized repair centers at the time.
Right.
Even if you were ordering directly from Apple because you could, it still wasn't cheap.
Yeah.
So no, that's it. And listen, I got to give a shout out right now because Will's on iFixit, and I realized iFixit didn't come up. I keep saying Louis Rossman's name, but iFixit was a tremendous resource. Even back in the day when I had my shop, it was these guys, because we couldn't get the repair manuals. So it was these guys that were doing a better job than the repair manuals in the first place.
Yeah.
I mean, look at these photos, man. And
they're good.
And the step-by-step procedures. And of course, they do video now as well. So I don't know what it means for them in their business, but shout out to iFixit for being day one on this topic.
Yeah.